How to sell your stocks on Robinhood. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video I'll simply guide you on how you can actually sell your stocks on Robinhood, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to actually sell your stocks on Robinhood, all you need to do is first of all download the Robinhood app, open it up and then log into your account. If you own basically any of the stock on the Robinhood application, I'll show you where you can find them. So first of all, just log in, by the way. Then once you're logged in, you'll see this type of interface where right on the home page, if you scroll down, you'll find a section that says stocks, right? So if you scroll down, keep scrolling down to the bottom, you'll find a section where it says stock, and then once you tap on the stock option over here, you will be able to find all of the stocks that you've invested in and then actually go ahead and then sell it accordingly. And once you tap on a specific stock that you want to sell, you can just tap on it and then go ahead and begin selling it right away. That is how you can go ahead and then sell your stocks on Robinhood. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.